Hey everyone, and we're back, and we have Queen Beehive, and this is a new Shopkin mini doll. We're going to be unboxing her today, so let's get started. So first I'll show you the back. She's got a new pop skirt, and it's really cute, so let's get her out. Now, here's a doll, and this part of the dress does come off. Everything else is molded on. I don't think anything else comes off, so. But you do get the little skirt that you can pop on and give her more of a royal look. So let's do that. Look at that. So now she has more of a royal look to her. Oop, I don't think I have it on right. Hold on. There we go. So it gives her more of a royal look, which is different than what we've seen before. So that's really cute. And here's the other one we have is Princess Armanda is the other doll that we got. So we got 2 of these so far. So let's check off our checklist. We'll check off the 2 we got. And then we'll move on to our next unboxing. So we still need quite a few of them, but we got 2 of the collection so far. And let's do an interview with her, just for fun. I am Queen Beehive, and I declare that all bees should be free to do what they want to do, and only make honey if they need to. Oh, okay. All right. Well, make sure to like and subscribe, and ring the bell, because we're going to be doing some more unboxings of these. We have 3 more of these to unbox, and we have other stuff to unbox coming up real soon. So make sure to like and subscribe. Have a great day. Bye. Bye everyone. Bye.